Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Terry. This is Terry Vlogs. I actually do want to take some time out because I got a bunch of new followers or like subscribers here. I just want to say hi and thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Mike really appreciates it, even though he's running away.
I have to work.
So yeah, let's jump into this week's vlog. Basically, today I'm home. We are going to be doing some errands, and what are you looking for?
I was looking for Mila. Is she under the tree?
Yeah, she climbed under the tree.
Okay.
Yeah, so today I'm going to be running a few errands. It is officially December. I think it's December 2nd right now. So I have a few things to do, but before I get into any of those errands, I'm going to take a few pictures for a brand that I told that I would be taking pictures for tomorrow to like post on my Instagram account. So I have to take some of those pictures, which is why I'm actually like wearing makeup and looking like a normal person, because if you look at my other vlogs, I don't always look like this. Like, it's snowing and I think we're gonna have a snowstorm tonight and tomorrow. I'm gonna go out and get some stuff to kind of prepare for the snowstorm, but also I wanted to take these pictures before I left because I think it's gonna get dark really quickly and I wanna make sure that we have some good lighting for these pictures that I need to post tomorrow morning. So gonna do that first, and it's just gonna be like some selfies and I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so today the first thing we're gonna do is drop off some laundry because unfortunately we do not have a washer dryer in our apartment. We have some in our building, but they're gross and scary, so.
And they're down 4 flights of stairs.
Yeah, so we just drop them off.
And do wash and fold.
And do a wash and fold, and then we get it all folded and everything's great. We sometimes take 2 weeks to put them away, but that's just another problem. I haven't done an apartment tour yet. I'm gonna do it in the new year, I think. Or maybe before the Christmas tree comes down, so maybe this month. But we have really high ceilings, really big windows in here, and that comes with its own set of like temperature issues. So heat rises, so upstairs is always warmer than downstairs, but then also our big windows and a couple of other ones are drafty, so it's warmer upstairs, but then the drafty windows cools down the whole apartment anyways, which is the opposite issue in the summer. It's just freaking hot. All the hot air comes in. So I'm going to get curtain rods and curtains for a couple of our drafty windows because our heat is set up at 70 right now and upstairs is 63, which means downstairs is even cooler than that. And it's just kind of becoming like an issue. We just want it to be a comfortable temperature in here, and I think getting some curtains for the drafty windows will kind of help regulate the temperature in here. So that is one of the other things we're going to do. Also, we are about to get a snowstorm. If you don't know, we live in Boston, so we get snowstorms pretty frequently in the winter time. For whatever reason, we can't find our shovels. I don't know what happened to them. Well, we don't have any shovels. So I'm going to also run to Home Depot and get some, like a shovel for us because we're gonna get snow tomorrow or tonight into tomorrow. And then a couple boxes to put some Christmas presents in. It's December 2nd, my tree is up, and I literally have gifts wrapped underneath the Christmas tree. And there are just a couple that need boxes so I can wrap them, and I think there's only 2 more things that I'm waiting on to ship, like for my mom and then for my dad. So I'm really happy with where I am this Christmas season. So traffic though. So I just want to quickly talk about what I'm going to be doing this month. I know it's December and I basically vlog. I don't really do too many sit down videos. So December is pretty much the month that everyone does Vlogmas, but vlogging every single day for a whole month is just not, like, my lifestyle is not conducive to that kind of behavior. I'm not that interesting, so I don't have that much going on that I could have content for a vlog every single day. And also, like, I like have a life that is like outside of YouTube. So I have like other responsibilities and things. I won't be vlogging every single day. I won't be like actively participating in Vlogmas. I'm just pretty much gonna upload on the same schedule. I'm gonna maybe try to do twice a week for sure. My uploads are like typically Wednesdays and Sundays, but I'm gonna try to make sure I do that. I usually do at least once a week. So, but even though I won't be doing it every single day, my vlog titles will still include Vlogmas, but I won't really be doing it in the way that everyone else is doing it. So, basically I'm cheating, but who cares as long as I include some content. There's a lot of crazy stuff happening behind me. This is all wild. What is going on? Okay. Let me focus on driving, because this is crazy. So I have dropped off the laundry and I'm already starving. Like, I made pancakes for breakfast for me and Mike, and I ate it and I was full, and then I like cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the apartment, took a shower, got ready, did what you saw, and it's 2 o'clock. It's like literally 1:59 now, and I am so hungry. Mike made chili for dinner last night, and I want to eat it when I get back, but by the time I get back home, it's gonna be like, realistically, like probably 4 o'clock. So, and I think he's gonna start dinner tonight, so we're gonna have to wait till dinner to eat, and I'm already starving. And I don't know about you, but like, I can't run errands when I'm hungry. I just get frustrated and I quit like trying to find what I'm looking for. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I'm gonna head off to, I think, Home Depot first, and then go to Home Goods. Yeah. Okay, so we found them. I'm gonna get this one. It's super wide with metal. Almost sold out. So we got the shovel, and I can't help myself, so I'm going to look at the plants. Out of here with a new plant somehow, and the snow started. Okay, so these errands are going a lot faster than I thought. I'm already in Home Goods. I got some boxes for the presents and some present tags, and I need to get more Christmas cards. Let me show you what I have so far. Got these 2 boxes, which I think are really cute. I'm gonna put my dad's in that one and my sister's in this one. Got these gift tags, and I need to find Christmas cards. So I found the Christmas cards. I need to find a cute style, kind of like the old-fashioned things. Like, that's cute. Let's see. This is kind of cute. No. Holy crap. Let's see. It's so shitty. Oh my god, it's so shitty. Oh, you guys. I want Burger King so bad. You guys, it is so crappy outside. It basically stopped freaking, I don't know, it's, when I left it was just raining. Ugh, there's stuff all over this freaking lens. Hold on, let me clean you up, get you nice and clean-ish. Dude, when I left it was raining and it was cold, but now it is a mixture of rain and snow, and it is gross. I didn't end up getting the curtain rods today because I feel like getting curtain rods and getting curtains for your house in general is kind of like a big deal. I already know the measurements because I've done like curtains before for this apartment. The windows are so long, so I need really long ones anyways, but I got there, I saw all the options, and then I got overwhelmed because I was like, should I get black curtain rods or gray, like silver ones? And I just don't know. So I think I'm gonna wait until Mike's with me so we can like make the choice together. I don't even know like what color curtains to get. I think it would just get cream, but I don't know. So I didn't do that. I just got the boxes and the tags. I didn't like any of the cards there, so I think I might stop at Target. But like the weather is so bad that I kind of just want to go home and not go to Target at all. So, but the whole day wasn't a fail. I got the shovel. I got a new plant that I probably didn't need, but I know exactly where I'm going to put it. So there's that. And then I'll do the curtains like another time with Mike. But for now, I'm just going to get home and probably start dinner with Mike and then watch Watchmen. If you guys are not watching Watchmen on HBO, it is so good. I think it has Regina King in it. She's like the star. It is so good. But like everyone said you should watch it and everyone recommended it, so I started watching it. And I have to say, especially for people of color, like the first episode is rough. Like it was traumatizing. It was just like a whole bunch of like an entire like prosperous black town, the whole town just getting murdered by white people, like Klansmen. And so that's just how the first episode starts. And like the first few minutes of watching it, I was just like, this is hurting my whole soul. It's racially charged, so, but it's still so good, so good. I'm obsessed with it, and Mike and I have been binge watching it, and it's amazing. It also has like sci-fi, like supernatural or like superhero type aspects. So that's my rant on Watchmen. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get home now.
Arizona service, Roxanne.
Hey guys, so I'm back home and I'm about to start making dinner for me and Mike. I'm making curry chicken tonight. For those of you who don't know, I am in fact Jamaican, despite popular opinion. I'm Jamaican and I was born there, and I am going to make my mom's curry chicken. I cannot make curry goat. So let's get into it. Alright you guys, dinner is done and so is this vlog. I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below. Bye, guys. Say bye, Mike.
Bye. Surprise.